forage wagon continues to be the preferred method of harvesting grass and maize in many regions of the world, and the requirements made on them are as diverse as the conditions in which they perform. Krone offers the right forage wagon for every application and requirement. Our portfolio ranges from compact machines for small-scale farmers to high-end and high-capacity models for contractors or machinery rings. The link between these two worlds is our MX, a compact and yet powerful forage wagon that shares many features with its high-capacity siblings. The new MX range lines up 3 models with capacities of 33, 37 and 40 cubic meters to DIN standards. The mid-sized model is the MX 370, which has a pivoting headboard and a vertical tailgate. The biggest one of the range is the MX 400 with a backpack tailgate. On the lower end of the scale is the entry-level MX 330 with a rigid headboard and a vertical tailgate. The 1.8-meter easy flow pickup gathers every swath cleanly and effectively. Its tines are arranged in helical rows, which distribute the material across the full intake width. Its camless design warrants quiet running and reduced wear. Big pivoting guide wheels and a pair of extra wheels supporting the rear of the pickup ensure the unit offers excellent ground contouring in all conditions. The massive rotor cutter pulls the material through its blades and feeds it into the load area. Load peaks are avoided by the helical arrangement of the 8 rows of tines, which are plated with wide hardox steel plates for exact and yet gentle cuts and high throughput rates. Need to service the cutting system? Well, that's no reason to get on your knees. Simply pull out the entire blade cassette and swing it alongside the machine. Each of the 41 blades is individually protected from overload, and the system gives a nominal cutting length of 37 millimeters. A standard blade group control allows operators to use 0, 20, 21 or 41 blades. The optional Speed Sharp system restores the sharpness of the blades in less than 4 minutes just by pushing a button, for precision and light cuts also during those long working days. The sturdy floor with its chain and slat conveyor slopes to the front, a design that reduces the power input, treats the crop gently, and leads to high pre-compression levels inside the load area. The advancing speed of the chain is controlled automatically. This is an option on MX. MX is ISOBUS compatible. This means you can control and operate it from one of the Krone terminals, or from any other ISOBUS operator terminal. The 2 top-end MX models have a pivoting headboard. This is in its vertical position during the filling cycle. Its exact position is customized by the operator, who uses it to control the level of pre-compression. Once the load is filled, the headboard pivots towards the tractor to expand the volume by 4 cubic meters. When used as a silage trailer that serves the forage harvester, the wagon's headboard stays in the forward tilt position to offer maximum capacity. The chassis and the structure are of a particular sturdy build that withstands the challenges of dual-purpose applications. The beams that make up the chassis are box sections, and the sides are sloping so no crop can collect there. The optional covers ensure no material is lost in transport. The light pulling tandem axles are built to implement an 18-ton gross weight. The spring-loaded drawbar with ball hitch offers a 4-ton tongue load. Flotation tyres or self-steering or forced steer axles ensure gentle treading and maximum turf protection. The MX climbs every clamp. Its hydraulic and articulated drawbar has powerful hydraulic rams that raise the machine no matter what. The unloading action of the chain and slat floor is supported by the headboard, which pivots fore and aft for effective emptying. The MX GD models have discharge rollers that unload the material in uniform mats. Further productivity boosting and safety enhancing options include the articulated drawbar with 2 selectable positions: the LED lights in the load area, a camera system and hydraulic axle levelling. Krone MX, the compact dual-purpose forage wagon with high-end technology for professional applications.